Hi folks, we're going to take a look at an example of dividing polynomials using synthetic division. Now this is an easier example because the linear divisor has a leading coefficient of 1. Okay, so let's recall how to set this problem up. So we have our division symbol here, okay, and what goes to the left of the division symbol represents the x plus 2. Now remember that linear divisor we think of as being in the form x minus a. So in order to get x plus 2, a must be equal to negative 2. So we put negative 2 to the left of our division symbol. And to the right, we can work only with the coefficients of our dividend. Okay, so let's put those in. So the coefficient of x to the 6th is 1. Then the coefficient of x to the 5th is negative 1. Now there's no x to the 4th term, but we know we need to incorporate that into here like we did with long division. So we use a coefficient of 0. Coefficient of x cubed is 8. X squared, again, no x squared term, so we're going to use 0. And then we've got 12 for x, and then our constant term is 3. Okay, so let's go ahead and follow the procedure. So we always bring our first number down. That becomes the leading coefficient of our quotient. Then we multiply negative 2 times 1, so negative 2, and we always add vertically like this. So negative 1 plus negative 2 gives us negative 3. Okay, negative 2 times negative 3 gives us positive 6, and again we add vertically. So 0 plus 6 is 6. Okay, negative 2 times 6 is negative 12. Add vertically, 8 plus negative 12, so 8 minus 12 is negative 4. Then negative 2 times negative 4 is 8. 0 plus 8 is 8. Then negative 2 times 8 is negative 16. So we have 12 minus 16, negative 4. And then finally negative 2 times negative 4 is 8. And we add 3 plus 8 is 11. Okay, so now these numbers here represent the coefficients of our quotient, and this 11 here represents our remainder after having done this division. Okay, so once we have that, we can now write the final answer. Okay, so this can be written as, so now look here for your coefficients. So we have x to the 5th minus 3x to the 4th plus 6x cubed minus 4x squared plus 8x minus 4. Okay, and now plus our remainder term. So here we have plus 11 over x plus 2. Okay, and there you have it. This is how we can perform synthetic division when the coefficient of our divisor is 1. Okay, and this again saves us quite a bit of time from having to do this by long division. Okay, that's it.